This is a 5-inch magnifying glass with neck holder or stand. I was sent this to review for free. If you wanted to purchase it, it would cost you about $17. They haven't paid me for my review, in my opinion, to remain my own. So in the box, we get the magnifying glass itself, which has some pieces of protective plastic over it. We have a little optical cleaning cloth, microfiber cloth, and we have the neck strap / stand and an instruction sheet here. So it says we should not bend this frequently, and the bending angle should not exceed 180 degrees. So it sounds like, if you bend it all the time, it will eventually break. But essentially, you're supposed to position it over your neck so that you can have this magnifying glass where you want. Or you can simply lay it on a table and position the magnifying glass on the table. So it looks like there is a magnet and maybe metal on the bottom here. So this magnifying glass just snaps in place there, and it's not going anywhere. It's holding really well. You can pull it out without too much difficulty, but you could walk around with this thing and shake it a lot, and it's not going to inadvertently fall out. I believe this is a cast acrylic magnifying glass. One thing you'd want to be careful of is not leaving this out where the sun can hit it. Sitting up on a table pointing down at something flammable, it could potentially start a fire if you left it in the wrong spot. Alright, so I can definitely see the magnification happening there. It claims to be 5x. And I think that's if it's kind of far away, because I can, kind of pull this in and out, and it definitely is doing magnification. I'm not sure if I would call that 5x magnification or not. I don't know if I'd give this more than 2 or 3x magnification. I mean, it's definitely a large magnifying glass, could help you do cross-stitching, model painting, or reading things. Now, one thing I've found is that if you have lights above or behind you, the glare from those lights shows up in this magnifying glass quite strong. So that little thing there is a light glare. Alright, so here I'm sitting down and there's that light above me. So if I take the magnifier and kind of put it in an upright position, then I can look through it at this guy. So that's actual size, and that's magnified. I would say about 2x magnification.